Hey guys, this is Teresa from ZoomSphere. I will show you how to use the templates and hashtag suggestion features in the Scheduler app. The hashtag suggestion feature works with all social media platforms available in ZoomSphere, and it helps you find relevant hashtags for your posts. It's a great way to get higher organic reach. ZoomSphere can search hashtags for you. You select the ones you like and save them to template, together with anything else you need for your smooth workflow, like post texts, post structures, mentions, and so on. Templates containing saved hashtags and text help you save time because you can quickly add them to your post when scheduling. So let's begin! Once you start creating a post in the Scheduler app, click inside the text field and the bar with templates and hashtags, emojis, and location will show up. Once you click Templates and Hashtags, the panel will open on the right. Simply search and find relevant hashtags by typing in any keywords and hitting Enter. For example, if you type social media, ZoomSphere will suggest and show related hashtags and how many posts with this hashtag exist on Instagram. This way, you can choose the right size of your hashtags. You can select any hashtags from the list and then choose what you want to do next. For example, save your selection to an existing or a new template. You can always go back to it and use it repeatedly. Click Save to Existing Template and choose your template from the drop-down menu. Or insert hashtags directly to the post by clicking the right pink button. At any time, you can click on the hashtag and it will take you to the hashtag page with other posts to Instagram or Facebook, depending on what platform you're currently using. You can see your list of templates at any time. They are synchronized for all users in a workspace, so you can cooperate with your teammates and share your work. Templates are shared for all social media profiles in ZoomSphere. It allows you to save everything just once and use it across different social media platforms. You can create a new template from the hashtag selection as we saw earlier, but you can also just create a blank one. Open the Templates and Hashtag panel, select Templates and click Create New Template. Enter the template name and hit Save. Then you can add any text, mentions, or prepare a whole post structure to use later. Whenever you finish typing, the content is automatically saved. Go back and edit your templates at any time using the Edit on the right side. If you want to delete a template, click on the bin icon and confirm the deletion. And that's it! Now you know how to use the templates and hashtag suggestion feature. See you next time!